welcome to my channel. Welcome. Today's video is going to be if you already read the title, I changed my channel name because I wanted a shorter one. If you haven't followed me, or you probably just saw me, my name used to be yesterday Monkey Business NV, and I choose this one NV. I just kind of mixed in things with what I like and what I was going to do, and initial with my initials. So this time, if you already saw, check right here. It's called Nena's Bubble, and I think this one resembles a little bit more than what my channel is, because my channel is a little bit of everything and everything and all. Yeah, but mostly it's going to be DIYs. Mostly it's going to be DIYs, reviews, and hauls, and all of these have something to do with each other. If I have a haul, it's because most likely I'm going to have a DIY, and if I have something that I need to review, it's because I'm doing an unboxing. And I like to do unboxings because I like to show you guys what is out there, what you guys can get, and things that you can buy, and that's all including in the haul. Everything's connected to each other. Sometimes I rarely will have a recipe here and there. I'm going to be doing recipes here and there once in a while if I feel like it. It's also a DIY kind of sort of with food, so you get that in there. I would have an occasional vlog. I used to have weekend vlogs. Someone there. A vlog, an occasional vlog, I mean when I have a birthday, when I go to Disneyland, when I go to a different place, I will have an occasional DIY vlog. If if that goes better, then I'll have a channel specifically for vlogs. But right now it's an occasional vlog. And you'll find in Nena's Bubble. Nena's Bubble comes from the idea of my husband. My husband totally thought about it because I was telling him that I was going to change my channel name and what should I name it, and I had a few ideas because I wanted to focus and bubble creativity, DIY, and making things. And he thought about a bubble, Nena Bubbles. When I was in high school, I did this painting drawing. I can remember with what thing I did it with, and I had fairies inside of bubbles, and I had a big tree, and that tree was in a big bubble, and everything was in a little bubble. So he thought about a bubble. Thank you, Memo. So I really liked it when he said it. So that came to be Nena's Bubble. And in Nena's Bubble, anything could have memory space on like my memory card. So I choose my unboxings, my hauls, my reviews, occasional recipe, and occasional vlog. Yes, everything in the bubble. So if you want to burst my bubble, Memo, click the little subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Click the little like button to notify YouTube that you like my video, and then they hamper me up, and then you get to see me more. Comment down below if you like my new name instead of Monkey Business MB and Nena's Bubble now to be. And I promise I will have more DIYs. I'm going into that. Many other things have happened around here that changed the rhythm of my timing and channel and all that good stuff. Then now I'm going to be focusing more on Nena's Bubble DIYing and things like that, because guess what? Christmas is coming. That calls for DIY coming. So yes, please subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, give me a thumbs up because you like my new channel name. Yes! Remember, I am also a mom, so occasional mom-related videos would come up to be, because I do have Luna, which is 4 years old, and Layla, which is 1 year old. So most of the things bubble them. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today, just notifying you of the name change. Please keep subscribing. Please stay if you want to if you already have subscribed, please stay and come back. And that is all for today's video. Remember, press my bubble, subscribe. Goodbye.